It's me, and I'm coming to you with my Boxycharm for this month, the month of May. I love Boxycharm, in case I haven't said that. They are $19.95 every month, free shipping, and to me, I have just been getting the best products of Boxycharm. So I'm gonna go into the products right now. Here is the little card that they send in here with all the products that are enclosed. So I'm just gonna go into the products. The first product, which is actually what I'm wearing on my lips. It is a liquid lipstick for this month, and this is from Boxycharm, and it is the matte lip gloss. The color is called Kiss Me, and here's the color right here. You can see the color on my lips. I am wearing them. Very nice doe foot applicator, as you can see. And I like this color very much. It smells nice and fruity, and it dries pretty quick. And staying power is pretty decent. Haven't really had any problems with the product, so I'm liking it. Next product, and I also tried it this morning because I was just very curious about how it worked. This is from Cover FX. This is Cover FX Blurring Primer. So that's it right here. I did use it this morning. Now it appears like it has like some type of tint on it, as you can see. But once you massage it in, that color is gone. It appears translucent, and it feels like a nice silky powdery texture. Definitely blurs all your lines and your pores, and I did feel the difference when I did put it on my hands, and I think it's pretty good. I liked it. I've worn it all day. I actually still have it on right now. I haven't taken off my makeup today. So yeah. So the next product, this is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is Pretty Vulgar The Ink, and this is gel eyeliner, and this is in the color Blacklist. I have not used this product, but there it is right there. I am, however, very excited to try out this product, especially because the other day I was talking about how I wanted to use a gel liner. It's been years since I've used the gel liner, so I am pretty excited that I'm going to be trying this out, and I love the style. It's just so cute and antique. I love it. Has some nice weight on it. Love it. The next product, this is from Aesthetica. And this is a brush, as you can see. I'm going to take it out of the packaging. And this is the P12 brush from Aesthetica. This looks like a pretty big powder brush to me, I'm assuming is what it is. Let me just see if I can find out on here. Let me see. Face brush, see? With synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. So you pretty much are going to use this with powder. It's very nice and soft. I personally have never had any brushes from this brand, but it's really nice, and I'm looking forward to using it in the near future, which will probably be tomorrow. And the last product here, and this is also from Aesthetica, the same brand. This is the 3-piece eye trio, and this comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. Perfect. Convenient 3-in-1, used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to a dramatic eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. So I'm just going to open this up, and I am pretty excited to try this as well. Okay, so here is the spoolie brush. Pretty basic. Next product, this is the eyeliner brush, which I'm pretty excited to use this as well. Very thin tip, as you can see, which is perfect to use with that gel eyeliner. And the last brush, this is an angled brush, as you can see. A little on the thick side. So that's the brush right there. So these are all the products that I received in my Boxycharm box, and I am very happy with my products. Last month I was very satisfied with my products. This month I was extremely satisfied with my products. I was excited when I saw the liquid lipstick because I am a lipstick whore, but I was even more excited when I saw the gel liner. Then I saw the primer, and I'm just like, oh, like all the way. All the products are awesome, and as of now, Boxycharm has been like up there in my list of favorite subscriptions. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will put the link below if you're interested in subscribing if you have not. And that's about it. Subscribe to my channel as well if you have not. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys very soon. Adios.